How to change time on Fitbit. To change the time on your Fitbit, you need to sync it with the Fitbit app. If the time is still wrong after syncing, go ahead and adjust the time zone in the app settings. So go ahead and open the Fitbit app. Go ahead and click on your profile at the top right of your screen. So once you click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find the Fitbit settings. So under this, click on Fitbit settings. And then from here, go ahead and click on date, time, and units. And then into the section, you can go ahead and change your location, time zone, and your clock display time. So in here, you can easily change your time zone to be able to change your time on Fitbit. Make sure that along with changing your time zone, you change your location to ensure that your location and your time zone matches. And that is how you can easily change time on Fitbit.